whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your body got disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, from when all the smoke is clear. I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no
Salzburg.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Salzburg. The local time is 10:15. We're pleased to say we have landed ahead of our schedule. Please keep your seatbelts fastened until the signs are being switched off and remain seated until the doors are open. You'll be invited to disembark, but please be aware of social distancing. Allow time and space between your fellow passengers to leave the aircraft. Ensure you have your personal belongings with you. Check it in the seat pocket under the seat in the overhead locker. Please check that the seat areas clear the rubbish and you take these items with you. Smoking is not permitted until you reach designated smoking area. When opening lockers, please take care in case items move and could fall out. To ensure a smooth journey through the airport, make sure you have your required documents ready, and please comply with local COVID requirements such as face masks and social distancing. Before you fly with us again, one, download the easyJet app. It's never been easier to manage your trip in one handy place. We thank you for selecting us your carrier today, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. For now, we wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey.